RISE is a non-profit organization for the media tech industry dedicated to improving chances for gender diversity in the industry and supporting women that are already in the career and getting more women into these careers. As I said, we're a non-profit, so we're mainly supported by sponsorships that we have several tiers of, and we have different chapters as well to the organization. The main one is in the UK, and then we have one for continental Europe, one for North America, and one for the APAC region as well. Our most important activity to mention, or initiative to mention, is the mentorship program. This is a program that runs yearly and where we match applicants or mentee applicants, that want to get guidance in their career and want to ask for support or to get knowledge shared from experienced professionals in the industry. And we, with our networks, try to find those experienced professionals to match with these mentees. So that they can have one-on-one personalized sessions where they can get guidance on anything that they might need support in. Our mentors can be of any gender, of course, and our mentees, it's more focused on women or people identifying as women for them to get more support and networking as well. We also do several networking events. We know how important it is to spread these things by word of mouth, and also to avoid that glass ceiling kind of situation, to get women in the conversation and to get them to know each other. So for example, the things that we're doing here at IBC are a good example. I mean, we have a booth, we have had drinks at the BT stand, we've had a flash mob every morning to show that, there actually are women at IBC. Might be hard to notice sometimes, but there actually are. And then we have something that's called Safe Car Initiative. So if you're a woman that is a RISE member, you will be able to ride safely a car late at night if you've been out partying, or if you've been out with customer conversations and you need a ride back to your hotel. We have a few fun emergency kits on the stand with everything you might need, sanitary products, pins, bobby pins, and hair elastics, and everything you might need when you're in a pinch on a trade show. And then also we have a chill corner. That's where we're sitting right now, where you can take a break from an overwhelming environment that can be the trade show and take some time to recover and gather your ideas and take a break.